Just an update on the failed protest and march.
And you have been quiet for a long time, Chamisa. And after this, I promise you, we don't want to hear you saying a word.
Former Norton constituents member of parliament Temba Mliswa shared his opinion about the failed March 31 protest against President Mnangagwa. Uye vanhu vari kucomplaina about Chamisa vachiti ivo Chamisa Hatichada kumuona hakuna leader akadaro aifanira kutaura something, maybe protest yaibudirira vanhu vaikwanisa kubudawo neuwandu hwavo. Izvi zvabuda mushure mekunge vanhu vazhinji vasina kubuda kuenda kudemonstration nezuro musi wa 31 March 2025 iyo yainge yakarongwa navablessed bombshell Geza pamwe chete nemamwe mawovhets vachitsigirwa neruzhinji rweZimbabwe pasocial media. Ladies and gentlemen, kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimwitness TV yandinodzoka nama-updates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ngobayawo button rekusubscribe then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti iwewe usarasikirwe neevery update yandinodzoka nayo pano. Ladies and gentlemen, ndinotenda nesupport yenyu yamuri kutipa. More updates are coming. Musakanganwa kusubscribe, kulike nekukomenta. Ngatinzwei zvizere.
After this thing, we don't want to see you, we don't want to hear you. You have been quiet since this thing has been starting. A leader is supposed to lead. He's supposed to say yes or no. And you have been silent for quite a long time, and you are seeing that you are being used, and I think that you are biased somewhere. I don't hate you. My father died supporting this opposition party because he wanted to see freedom. And you have been quiet for a long time, Chamisa. And after this, I promise you, we don't want to hear you saying a word. You are gone.
Dicho. Just an update on the failed protest and march. It's a lemon. They had a lemon, and they want to turn the lemon into an orange and say staying away is what was intended, yet staying away is not what was intended. So it was a flop. First of all, you cannot turn a lemon into an orange. Here is the problem. First of all, the voters' roll, the election democracy which ushers in the government, the leaders of today. Are you involved? Do you vote? 6 million people over close to are registered to vote, but just over 3 million vote. That's the first mistake. Don't blame anybody. Blame yourself. Do you vote or don't you vote? What you put in is what you get out of it. This government was democratically and constitutionally put in power by us. By us, I mean you who did not vote and the person who voted. So let's respect that. Secondly, it is important to understand that those in the diaspora and who spend more time on social media are the ones who enjoyed this drama. We seem to be more fascinated with drama than reality. May we deal with reality first. Reality stems by you being productive, you adding value to your country. Zimbabwe is our country. We are not going to go anywhere. Sadly, today, as you saw with the video and the pictures that I've just posted, I arrived at the airport. I was in South Africa. I arrived on Airlink Yasumkana at 10:55. There were masses of people, foreigners coming into Zimbabwe, people coming for holiday. So, by the way, this did not deter the foreigners who were supposed to actually be more afraid to be in the country. They are here. They are doing business. They are taking from us what belongs to us. And then tomorrow we start to complain again. Kuti zunjutore foreigners. Mira panjimbo usache uke ndati mira panjimbo. That's right. Wakamira panjimbo ere. Njimbo yako is Zimbabwe. Be a nationalist. Be a patriot. It does not mean that you should belong to a party or any ideology, but Zimbabwean, being Zimbabwean requires you to be a nationalist and patriotic. And please defend your country. Secondly, in the rural area, Kushurugwi, isitunaita huku mabatch is 300. This is that tengwa. I picture yanchakora gizaifu pa social media dzirukundurwa. Employment has been created tashedza madzimai nekuti kugara kwaita vanhu mudzimba vari kudya, they are consuming. It's difficult to consume and not to also produce, not to be productive. Are you with me? So tafara nezora nasi nekuti huku dzedu dzaenda. Takutenga imwe batch angati ngatarisire and so forth. At 5 weeks is the end. So to us who have made money, we want to say to the people who stayed away, you want peace. You want peace because in the past instances there's been violent, sponsored violent by thugs, intend to do the right things. That's a story for another day. So what all I'm saying to you at the end of the day, let's solve our own problems. But leadership, indulge people, talk to people. President Haasi muno, my ministers Haasi muno, ndeve vano, my all veterans, vane zvichemo zvavo, respond to them. Dialogue, take them to the president. Even if there are 2-3 factions, my veterans vese vaendese kune mukuru, are you with me? And then kune vamwe vakomana futi vari too excited nekubata mari. Tokumbira kuti be sensitive to the plight of the people. Ndimi futi masumudza mepo idzo munenge muchingopa uku muchingopa vanhu vachiedza kuti vararame. It becomes difficult. Saka ndinokumbirawo kuti at the end of the day, let us do the right thing. But what I would like to commend Zimbabweans for, you are peaceful, you are loving, and you have showed that to the rest of the world. Hapana rowa, hapana sungwa. That's the peace that we enjoy. When God's time comes, it will come. This time, let us respect the government which is there. Let's engage them. But may the government also engage the people. Chinu ndechedu tesage. Nyika inova kwenewenewe. Sandapeza pane imwe yabuda kafuti. Idzi nyaya dzekuti vanhu vanogara pamba vasina kujaragara vese the whole day. Amaina baba. Kune dzimwe dzaburwa ka. Shamari dzangu kuti muliso uyazochitorawo ungozotonda kuti pana papakaipa kune dzakawanda dziri kubudwa mafoni aya aiswa makodi 3, 4, 5 aringovhura iyo handichataura but ndio yaburwa manje ndio chaitika manje muZimbabwe the whole day amaina baba nevana vakataisa nacho acha TV icho ndicho inabhuru aiwa ndiri single munozviziva saka aiwa akomana nhasi handisinemi chimbogadzirai domestic affairs hopefully haipedzera yahome affairs ka. Thank you each and each. Have a good day, Zimbabwe. Well done for being a peaceful nation. We love our country and we shall work with our leadership and we shall dialogue with them on every other issue. Icho ndicho usa cheuke mirapa zimbo usa cheuke.
Can rotate Gazaris in the fire. Dama South Africa. Matombo. Shit. Ukandwa matombo.
Mama,